We conduct interview via phone call with 3 teachers from 3 different schools, and we ask them what their school policy in reporting suspect child abuse of their and do they deal with this kind of situation. Here are the answer of Mr. Charlo M. Tokmo.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you for your time, sir, even though we know that you are so busy today.
Yes, yes.
I am Rodeline Bisonia, taking up the course of Bachelor Secondary Education, rather Major of Science, in Northeastern Mindanao State University, formerly as Surigao del Sur State University, Cantilan Campus, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
I'm Carlo M. Tukmo, Master Teacher 3 of Antaw Elementary School.
Okay, sir. I will ask you one question.
Yes.
What are their policies? What are their policy in your school is in reporting suspected child abuse of their and do they deal with this kind of situation, sir? Sir? Hello, sir.
I think every school has its own mechanism to report any kinds of abuses that may happen in school. Like for example, bullying. This is a coinsurance with the CFSS child-friendly school system of the Department of Education. The guidance advocate or the ASP coordinator will conduct preliminary investigation and raise thereafter to the principal office and then reported the findings to the DSWD of what happened, especially if the case are big. So such as physical abuse, physical neglect, sexual abuse, and emotional abuse. So that's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
yes.
sir. Good evening again, sir.
Good evening.
Second is Miss Via Nicole Tiambray.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is IVJ Sumaoy, ma'am, from Northeastern Mindanao State University, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science.
Okay. And I am Via Nicole T. Ambray, teaching in St. Peregrine Learning Center.
I would like to say sorry, ma'am, for the inconvenience, ma'am, because I know, ma'am, you're busy, ma'am, but you give me a chance, ma'am, to interview you. So, are you ready, ma'am?
Okay, it's okay. Okay. We will start now.
Okay, my question, ma'am, is in your schools, ma'am, what are the school policy in reporting suspected child abuse of students and how they deal with this kind of situations?
Okay, for that question, I will answer that. For the information and guidance of all concerned, the Department of Education issues the enclosed copy of the policy and guidance of protecting children in school from abuse, violence, exploitation, and discrimination, bullying, and other forms of abuse entitled the PED Order Number 40S 2012, which is the PED Child Protection Policy. And then that question, I will consider that in the department, we recognize that cases of abuse may arise as a result of difficult situations faced by teachers and other officials within the outside schools. The DepEd has adopted the policy to provide special protection to children who are gravely threatened or endangered by circumstances which affect their normal development and over which they no control, and to assess the contingency in their situation. Okay, Miss Ivy, that's all.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And sorry again, ma'am, for the inconvenience, ma'am.
The last is Mr. Zion Gabriel Pidiasnis.
Sir, good evening. Good evening. Sir, I am Rodeline Bisonia, um, taking up the course of Bachelor Secondary Education, major in science in Northeastern Mindanao State University, formerly as Surigao del Sur State University, Cantilan Campus. Okay, good evening, Miss Bistania. I am Zion Gabriel Pinjada. I'm teaching in Federal College Incorporated. Okay, sir. Uh, Sorry for the disturbance, and thank you for the time that you gave in to us. No worries. And I have one question, sir. What are their policies in reporting suspected child abuse of their and do they deal with this kind of situation, sir? Okay, the ticket order number 40/2012 is the SDJILD protection policy. The Convention on the Right of the Child aims to protect children from all physical or mental violence, injury, and abuse, neglect, or negligent treatment. The same convention established the right of the child to education and with a view to achieving this right progressively. And on the basis of equal opportunity, the Department of Education, in collaboration with partners and stakeholders, shall ensure that all schools are conducive to the education of children. We aim to ensure that special protection from all forms of abuse and exploitation and care as necessary for the child's well-being, taking into the primary rights of the child. That is all. Thank you so much, sir, for your time that you're giving to us. Thank you and good evening, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.